Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Zerowater filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining optimal water quality in your home, ensuring that every sip you take is not only refreshing but also free from harmful contaminants that can affect your health and the taste of your beverages. This advanced filtration system is meticulously designed to remove an impressive range of impurities, including dissolved solids, heavy metals, and chemicals, making it a superior choice for health-conscious individuals and families seeking the purest drinking water possible straight from their tap. Number 5. Zerowater 5-Stage Replacement Filter, 6-pack. Experience the purest tasting water with our advanced 5-stage filtration system. It's IAPMO certified to significantly reduce harmful contaminants like lead and PFOA/PFOS. Each filter provides an estimated 15 gallons of clean water, lasting up to 6 months. By choosing our filters, you can save hundreds of single-use plastic bottles annually. Our innovative 5-stage ion exchange filter removes virtually all dissolved solids. This means you get water free from metals, minerals, salts, and ions for superior taste. Rest assured, our filters are IAPMO certified and made from BPA-free plastic. They are designed to be safe for you and your family. For the best results, it's recommended to change your filter when your TDS meter reads 006. This ensures you consistently enjoy the purest water. This pack contains 6 Zerowater 5-stage replacement filters. They are designed for use with Zerowater systems only. What we like. This pack offers a substantial supply of filters, ideal for households that consume a lot of filtered water. If you are looking for long-term value and convenience, this is a great choice. It ensures you always have a fresh filter ready, minimizing plastic waste and maximizing hydration. What people say. It greatly improved the taste of our coffee. Our filtered water at work is testing 47. Bottled water from Sam's is 38. After our filter it stands at 0 for at least 5 to 6 mO. Every Zerowater product we have always brings our tap water TDS, total dissolved solids, level down to absolute 0, 000 on the TDS meter. Number 4. Zerowater 10-cup water filter pitcher with 3 replacement filters. Introducing the Zerowater 10-cup pitcher, designed for your healthy lifestyle. Enjoy the purest tasting water right from your fridge. Our advanced 5-stage filtration system removes 99.6% of total dissolved solids. It ensures you're drinking water free from contaminants. The pitcher features a space-saving design and an easy-pour spout, perfect for filling bottles and cups. It fits conveniently in your refrigerator. Rest assured, it's NSF certified to reduce harmful substances like lead and chromium. Plus, both the pitcher and filters are BPA-free for your safety. Each replacement filter lasts for an estimated 15 gallons, saving up to 150 plastic bottles per filter. Easily monitor and replace filters with the included TDS meter. This bundle includes the 10-cup pitcher, 3 replacement filters, and a TDS meter. Everything you need to start enjoying purified water immediately. What we like. This bundle is perfect for those starting with Zerowater or needing a complete system. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to get pure tasting water immediately, this pitcher and filter set is ideal. It's convenient for smaller households or those with limited counter space. What people say. The 5-stage filtration system is incredibly effective at removing contaminants from the water, including heavy metals and chlorine. The result is water that tastes incredibly pure and clean, without the off-tastes or odors that sometimes come with tap water. The filters are easy to install, and the process of replacing them is straightforward and mess-free. The included TDS, total dissolved solids, meter is a handy tool for monitoring the water quality and knowing when it's time to change the filter, ensuring optimal performance and water quality at all times. The water from Zerowater pitcher was 001. The system removes virtually all dissolved solids, giving me peace of mind that the water I'm drinking is as pure as it can be. Number 3. Culligan with Zerowater 5-stage water pitcher filter. Experience the ultimate in water purification. Our advanced 5-stage filtration system is guaranteed to remove 99.9% of dissolved solids, ensuring every glass is exceptionally clean. Rest assured knowing it's IAPMO certified to reduce harmful contaminants like lead, PFAS, mercury, and chlorine. Prioritize your family's health with every sip. Outperform the competition with filtration that's 5 times more effective. Enjoy purer, healthier water thanks to our advanced technology. Enjoy extended use with filters that last 33% longer. Each filter provides up to 20 gallons of purified water, offering great value and convenience. Getting cleaner water is simple. Just rinse the new filter, insert it into your pitcher, and enjoy the refreshing taste of purified water immediately. Designed for hassle-free use, it fits all Culligan pitchers and dispensers. Enjoy the benefits of advanced filtration with any of your existing Culligan products. What we like. This option stands out for its extended filter lifespan and superior contaminant reduction. If you are looking for a filter that lasts longer and tackles a broader range of contaminants, including fluoride, this is the one. It's a cost-effective and health-conscious choice for families. What people say. According to the meter, it removes 100% of the solid particles. This is a filter system like no other. It takes tap water and removes all solids and all dissolved solids, leaving almost totally demineralized water. Filters are good can confirm 0 readings. Number 2. Zerowater 23-cup water filter dispenser with 6 replacement filters. Introducing the Zerowater 23-cup water filter dispenser and a 6-pack of our advanced replacement filters. Experience cleaner, healthier water with every pour. Our 5-stage filtration system, featuring ion exchange technology, removes 99% of total dissolved solids. It effectively tackles contaminants like lead, chromium, PFOA, PFOS, ensuring your water is exceptionally pure. Each replacement filter is NSF certified and BPA-free, offering an estimated 15-gallon filter life. Enjoy peace of mind with water that's not only pure but also safe. The 23-cup dispenser is designed for convenience. Its one-hand push and pour spout makes dispensing filtered water into cups or bottles incredibly easy. Make a positive impact on the environment. By using our filters and dispenser, you can significantly reduce your reliance on single-use plastic bottles, saving hundreds each year. This bundle provides everything you need to start enjoying superior water quality immediately. It's the perfect combination for a healthier lifestyle and a cleaner planet. What we like. This combination is designed for high-volume use, perfect for families or offices. If you need to dispense filtered water frequently and want to significantly reduce plastic bottle waste, this large dispenser with replacement filters is an excellent investment. Its one-hand pour spout makes it incredibly convenient. What people say. These official filters are a game changer. They drain properly, allowing for efficient use without any of the annoying blockages I experienced with the cheaper alternatives. The water is clean. It measures at 0 and it's good tasting, great filtration system. Tested the water after it ran through the filter and it is like negative numbers, it's so pure. Taste cleaner and smooth. Number 1. Zerowater 20-cup ready pour water filter dispenser. This dispenser features a built-in TDS meter. It allows you to easily check the levels of dissolved solids before you pour, so you always know when it's time to change the filter. Our advanced 5-stage ion exchange filter removes virtually all dissolved solids. This ensures you enjoy the purest tasting water possible. This filter is IAPMO certified to reduce harmful contaminants like lead and chromium. Plus, all parts are made from BPA-free plastic for your peace of mind. Your purchase includes the 20-cup dispenser, a 5-stage filter, and a TDS meter. It's compatible with Zerowater and Culligan Zerowater systems and filters. Make a sustainable choice and save up to 660 plastic bottles a year. Enjoy the purest tasting water while reducing waste. What we like. This dispenser offers the convenience of a built-in TDS meter, allowing you to monitor water quality easily. If you appreciate knowing exactly when to change your filter for optimal performance, this is the ideal choice. It's great for anyone who wants pure water on demand and likes to keep track of their filtration process. What people say. My original one lasted 6 years and I only got a new one because the old one kind of warped in the dishwasher, my fault. The water tastes fresh. Easy to use and fill. Lasts for years. My water has tested 0 now and it is a great affordable product. I did buy extra filters but haven't had to change it yet and I've used it consistently for a month. Fits in my fridge too without taking up much space. Water tastes crisp, clean, and suspiciously fancy, like it should be served with cucumber slices and soft music. Even my coffee is acting superior now. Honestly, iconic purchase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.